Augsburg. In 1844, it is renamed to Sierrachembichmaschen. In 1808, the smelter is merged with two neighboring ironworks to form the Jacobi, Haenel and Hyson Ironworks and Trading Company. In 1873, the company becomes Güterverwaltung. Entrepreneur Ludwig Sander and engineer Jean Gaspard Dollfuss founded the Sandisch Maschinenfabrik in Augsburg in 1840. C1. 1898. In 1898, the companies in Augsburg and Nuremberg merged to form Vereinigte Maschinenfabrik. All step in the formation of the Mann Group, a prominent German engineering company known for manufacturing heavy machinery, trucks, and other industrial products. GHH's majority acquisition by their collaboration. This merger with brother of Mann Group, the company continued to diversify and expand its operations. It became involved in applications in various industries, including transportation and energy generation. Actively in ecological innovations, including advanced driver assist high-quality commercial vehicles, and has